Let's take Taco Tuesday to the next level with this amazing taco bake. My family loved it, and I really wish that I had doubled this recipe. Total prep and cook time is around 30 to 35 minutes, which means there's ease on a busy weekday night. I browned 1.5 pounds of ground venison in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then added some salt and pepper for seasoning, along with some minced garlic, and you just saute that until fragrant and all the pink is gone. I love adding some butter to any ground venison recipe I'm making. It just really richens up the flavor. And I find adding a milk product, whether it's butter or a little bit of milk itself, helps to alleviate any gaminess that the meat may contain. To my enamel cast iron pan, which I'm using and I absolutely love, I add a taco seasoning, a can of tomato paste, 3 cans of water, along with some salsa. Super simple. The next potentially scary addition to this meal will be a can of biscuits. Congratulations if you also join the Gray Hair Cooking Club. My tube of biscuits contained 10, so I quartered each of them and kept them separate because I didn't want them to stick together. And then I threw each of them into the sauce, mixed it all up, coated everything really well before I put it in the oven. I preheated my oven to 375 degrees and let it cook for about 20 minutes. While that was cooking, I shredded up my cheddar cheese, and if you want to use mozza or marble, those are fine options too. And look at that, doesn't that look amazing? I coated everything with my shredded cheddar cheese and put it under the broiler for 1 to 3 minutes until it was bubbly and lightly browned. I was filming this around lunchtime and I really wanted to finish this for lunch, but I knew I was going to have it for supper, so I had to hold off, but man, it was awesome. The biscuits were definitely a good choice in this recipe, so whether you're making it for meal prep for the week, if you're hosting some people, or just enjoying it with your family, I hope that you have fun with this recipe. Happy cooking!